This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact cells to change. This limits risk and speeds the operation. Once selected, open the number format dialog with Ctrl+1 or use the Home tab number group. That reveals built-in categories. You need this dialog because it shows choices like general, number, currency, and date, and it previews how values will display. Make sure to check whether cells contain formulas or text, since that affects which formats are applicable. Now choose the category that matches your goal: number for raw figures, currency for money, percentage to multiply by 100, or date for timelines. Once chosen, customize decimals, the 1000 separator, and negative number display so values read clearly. If none fit, click Custom and type a format code such as 0, 00 or DD/MM/EI. This gives precise control over appearance. Remember why. Clear formatting. Apply the format and immediately verify by scanning cells and recalculating if needed. Visual checks catch issues quickly. If results look wrong, use undo or clear formats to revert, then reopen the dialog and tweak settings. If numbers remain as text, convert them with text to columns or value. If date's wrong, check Excel's regional locale. Finally, ensure formulas return numeric results rather than text. Because formatting can't change underlying data types, it only changes how values display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.